In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use conditional blocks in ActiveCampaign. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to tailor your email content to specific audiences, making your marketing messages more relevant and engaging. To begin, you'll need to create or edit an email within ActiveCampaign. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're in, navigate over to either Campaigns or Automations, depending on where your email content currently resides or where you wish to begin anew. If you're starting from scratch, you'll want to create a new email. Otherwise, find an existing campaign you'd like to modify. After selecting the email, launch the drag and drop email designer. This intuitive tool will allow you to effortlessly arrange your content and focus on the creative aspects rather than the technical ones. Next, it's time to add a content block, which forms the foundation for your conditional content. Here you have several options to choose from. You might consider inserting a text block, an image block, a button block, or even an HTML block, depending on the nature of the message you wish to convey. Once you've added the block that suits your needs, click on it to open its settings. This will be your primary workspace for configuring how your conditional content will function. Now let's delve into enabling conditional content for your chosen block. First, select the content block once again and open the block settings panel if it isn't already visible. You're looking for the option called either conditional content or make conditional. It may vary slightly depending on the ActiveCampaign version you're using. Click on this and you'll be given the opportunity to enable the option, setting the stage for your personalized content magic. Finally, it's time to define the conditions that will dictate how your content displays to your audience. This is where you can get quite specific about who sees what. Think about the criteria that are most relevant to your campaign goals and audience segmentation. Conditions can be based on various attributes like contact data, such as age or location, behaviors like previous purchase history or link clicks, and even custom fields that you've established. The aim is to ensure that the right message reaches the right person at the right time, enhancing engagement and response rates. There you have it, a straightforward process to implement conditional blocks in ActiveCampaign. By following these steps, you're not just sending emails, you're crafting personalized experiences for your audience. Keep exploring the possibilities, and soon you'll be optimizing each campaign with precision. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.